Giving a introduction of Sir I am explaining. His name is Jagdish Suklal Deshmukh. Now Jagannath Yatra Das. Okay, he is got an admission in 1993, 1998 in JNU Bhusawal, first rank in 10th class, and 2000 second rank in 12th standard. BTech Mechanical Engineering completed. Then 8 years worked as a lecturer in engineering college. And afterwards, his service will be only for spiritual values and life skills, life values and importance of the life. Okay? Then full time is devoted in Islam Mumbai. Sir already visited around 130 JNUs in 4 regions. Yesterday, sir was there in Cambridge 1 and we got an information. We hope the program will be conducted in yesterday evening itself. But he came late because of the problem of this one. We have not conducted. 10th class, we have to move towards classroom study because more examinations are there. 10th class are permitted. The remaining students, please sit down. And all staff members also arrangement is there. Please sit down. Now on behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Kalaburi family, I am welcoming sir to our Vidyalaya. Thank you. I am welcoming Sheshu Kumar also on the stage. Sheshu Kumar sir, senior most teacher, our teacher. Sheshu sir
आप लोग बैठ जाइए नीचे. थैंक यू सर. So I thank our dear principal sir, Shri Dasa sir, and all teachers to give me heartfelt welcome here, shelter from yesterday at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kalaburi 2, Korba of Karnataka state. I wish you all good morning. I feel very happy to be with you today morning. I remember my school days, which I passed out in 1998 from Navodaya of Jalgaon district of Maharashtra. Even though long time has passed, I have become a monk in ashram of ISKCON last 13 years. But I could not forget Navodaya days because Navodaya life is something out of the world. There is one outside world, there is one other Navodaya world, where we wake up early in the morning, 5 o'clock, Saturn goes. I also woke up. I do my sadhana, some exercises also I do. Because Navodaya Sanskar, we have to maintain, not just for school life, but all life, whole life. We learn very good things in school, we are taught, but sometimes when we are not in school, we give up those things. Like early waking up is very good. Early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy and wise. Saying is there in English, जल्दी सोना, जल्दी उठना से क्या होता है? हाँ? अच्छा हेल्थ बनता है. Then you get wealth of satisfaction, you get wealth of joy in life. wealth is not of just money, it is a small part. The main wealth is of the heart, अपने हृदय का धन, समाधान और आनंद, वो भी मिलता है जल्दी उठने से। देश के जो प्रधानमंत्री है, पंतप्रधान श्री नरेंद्र जी मोदी, वो भी जो है सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं। वो बहुत जगह बताते भी है। आपसे बात होती है उनकी? आपसे बात होती है कि नहीं? परीक्षा पे चर्चा पे होती है कि नहीं बात? आप उनको सुनते हैं कि नहीं? बोलते हैं कि सेलिब्रेट एग्जाम्स। मोदी जी बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? सेलिब्रेट योर एग्जाम्स एज दी फेस्टिवल बोलते हैं। अब स्कूल नेम इज पीएम श्री स्कूल, है ना? मोदी जी ये नहीं बोलते हैं आई एक्सपेक्ट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स टू गेट 90+ मार्क्स, ऐसा नहीं बोलते मोदी। जो मिलेगा मिलेगा। फर्स्ट यू बी हैप्पी, फर्स्ट बी satisfied in your life. Don't compare with others to be happy, to be successful, because success is not dependent on others' performance. Generally we think if others are below me, I am successful. Generally people think if others are below me or less than me, I am successful. And if I am less than others, I am failure. This is not the right understanding of success. आज लोग क्या सोचते हैं? If I get 90% marks and all others get below 90, I am successful. And if I get same 90% marks, but if others get above 90 marks, if others get 90+ marks, then I think I am failure. Do you understand the point? I am getting same marks. How much? 90%. But I think if others are getting less than 90, I am successful. And if others are getting more than 90, I am failure. This is the wrong understanding of success. Means we are not happy with ourselves. We need to be happy. We need to depend on others to be happy. This is the problem of society. We don't know what is the real happiness. We don't know what is the real success. We all can be equally successful in our own way, in our position. We should know it. A bird cannot be compared with a fish to be successful. A bird has to fly happily in the sky. A fish has to swim in the waters happily. If you ask the fish to learn to fly, it will die. It will die. It cannot fly. A fish has to happily live in the waters. A bird has to fly happily in the sky. And if you ask the bird to learn to swim, it will also die. Because bird cannot swim in the water. My point is that we all have our own nature, likings, strengths, capacities. We all have our own capacities. We all have our own talents. Focus on that and become expert in that. Do your best. Do your best. I always tell that success is our best possible efforts we put in our work. What is success? Repeat behind me. Success is, please repeat. Success is our best possible efforts we put in our work. That is success. Okay. So easy and so clear that we do not need to depend on others' performance for our success. Simple. Now if I compare my life with my batchmate's life, thinking that how much they are earning, how much I am earning, and I'll go in depression. I'll go in depression, thinking that oh, I'm not earning any money. They are earning lakhs of rupees in a month. We should know our needs, our nature, our क्वालिटीज़। हमें अपने गुण, हमें अपना स्वभाव पहचानना चाहिए। हम वो छोड़ देते हैं, वी कॉपी पेस्ट अदर्स, वी वांट टू कॉपी अदर्स। हम कुछ अलग बनना चाहते हैं जो हम नहीं होते कभी, इसलिए हमें हमेशा अशांति होती है। हम जो है वो समझते नहीं कि हम कौन हैं। Our JNV logo has two important words. Our JNV logo has two important words. You all know it. All this है ना, your belts है that है ना, बेल्ट भी होता है, नोटबुक्स में भी होता है लोगो है ना, सब जगह होता है। तो क्या शब्द है? हाँ, प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म। Anybody can know, anybody can say the meaning of that? किसी को पता है इसका मतलब क्या है? प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म का मतलब क्या होता है? बोलो बोलो, यस प्लीज बोलो, स्टैंड अप, बोलो। हाँ ये सही, सबको ज्ञान मिलना चाहिए, वो तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उसका मतलब वो नहीं है। आपका 9th क्लास, विच नेम? Sorry, girls side, you might be knowing the meaning of Prajnanam Brahma. Okay, anyway, see, society will not see your marks, academics, in real life situations. They will see your sense of responsibility, sense of service, and sense of what do we say, duty, sense of duty. Marks are small part. Sometimes you may get marks, sometimes you may not get marks. ऐसा होता है कभी? Because marks are given by others. And sometimes mistake is there, mistake happens. Why? The checker is sometimes not attentive. ऐसा होता है, जब हजारों पेपर चेक करने होते हैं तो गलतियां होती है, हमसे भी गलतियां होती लिखते समय। कभी हमें पता तो होता है लेकिन लिख नहीं पाते, कभी याद नहीं आता है। तो क्या हमें ज्ञान नहीं होता है? ऐसी बात नहीं है। वो स्मॉल एग्जाम कैन नॉट मेक योर जजमेंट of your knowledge, your capacities, your understanding. Oh yes, exam should be there. Exams should be there, but not just one exam. Not just one exam. बस यही जीवन का एक पूरा है ना, जन्म जीवन मृत्यु का एक प्रश्न है, एक एग्जाम नहीं। लाइफ डेथ सिचुएशन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। Exams have some importance, but not all the importance. More than life. First is life important. And all cannot know all the things. And all are not supposed to know all the things. We all are supposed to know basic minimum things which we need in life. हमें सब कुछ जानने की आवश्यकता नहीं। सबको सभी विषय में 90+ लाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। हाँ, if you get good, but if you don't get sometimes, if you don't get 90+ marks sometimes, no need to be disturbed, unhappy, depressed. Sir, I am failure, sir, I am failure. No, please pay attention, very important. Nowadays people go in depression thinking that, sir, I am not first, sir, I am second, sir, I am third, sir. People think only first position is happiness. No, there is no happiness in position. This happiness is in our mindset. Our mindset has to be right. Our mindset has to be right. If your mindset is right, you are successful. You are happy always. Otherwise, simply thinking, oh, the results will make me happy, the marks will make me happy, then you will be never happy. Mind will cheat you. सो प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म का मतलब है, दो शब्द है। आप लोग हिंदी समझते हैं? मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि मैं विदेश में आया हूँ तो मैं इंग्लिश अपनी भाषा में बोलना अच्छा लगता है। यदि मुझे कन्नड़ा आता तो मैं कन्नड़ा बोलता, लेकिन नहीं आता है तो मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ। ठीक है, देश का भाषा आना चाहिए, राष्ट्रभाषा। ओके, तो दो शब्द है, ब्रह्म और ज्ञान। ज्ञानम और ब्रह्म, आगे जोड़ दिया प्रीफिक्स, सिद्धि प्रसिद्धि ऐसा होता है ना, वैसे प्रमुख ऐसा बोलते हैं। वैसे प्रज्ञानम, इसका मतलब है ज्ञान अनेक प्रकार का होता है। सबसे प्रसिद्ध, सबसे प्रख्यात, सबसे महान, सबसे उत्तम ज्ञान है ब्रह्म ज्ञान। ब्रह्म क्या होता है? जैसे अपने वेदों में, कुछ वेदों के विषय में सुना है कभी? वेद कितने होते हैं? हाँ, उतना तो आपको पता होगा, नाम भी पता होगा, लेकिन कभी वेद देखा तो नहीं होगा कभी खोला तो नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमें कभी चांस मिलता ही नहीं वेद खोलने के लिए। और ब्रिटिश लोग बोल दिया आपका जो वैदिक साइंस बुक्स है वो माइथोलॉजी बुक्स है, ऐसा बोल दिया। ब्रिटिश लोगों ने इस देश को गुलाम करने के लिए, तोड़ने के लिए, इसका जो था ताकत कम करने के लिए क्या बोल दिया है, आपको जो वैदिक साइंस बुक्स है, जो आपका हिस्ट्री बुक्स है, वैदिक हिस्ट्री, इतिहास, रामायण, महाभारत, ये सब क्या है? ये माइथोलॉजी बुक्स है। वी हैव एडवांस बुक्स ऑफ मॉडर्न साइंस, ऐसा वो बोल के हमें फंसाए। और हमें अपना ही जो वैदिक साइंस था, मूल विज्ञान, दुनिया का पहला विज्ञान, हमें उस ना कभी खोलते हैं, ना कभी सुनते हैं, ना पढ़ते हैं। ये जो दो शब्द है प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म, ये लिए गए हैं उपनिषद से लिए गए हैं। प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म की सबसे महान ज्ञान ब्रह्म ज्ञान है। ब्रह्म का मतलब होता है, जैसे वेद में बताया, वेदों में लिखा गया है अहम ब्रह्मास्मि। तो सुना है, अहम ब्रह्मास्मि बोलते हैं कि हम सभी का जो पहचान है वो बॉडी का नहीं है, हम सबका पहचान आत्मा का है, जीव का है, जिसे ब्रह्म कहते हैं, जो भगवान का अंश है। भगवान को कहते हैं परब्रह्म। भगवान को क्या कहते हैं? परब्रह्म। आत्मा परमात्मा, वैसे ब्रह्म परब्रह्म। हम भगवान के अंश है, तभी तो गाते हैं रंग जाति पद भेद रहित हम सब का एक भगवान हो। अब गाते हैं, हाँ गाए थे, आज सुबह तो गाए। संताने धरती माँ के हम धरती पूजा स्थान। ये भावना क्यों नहीं आता है? गाते तो हैं, सालों से गा रहे हैं, लेकिन धरती माता है, उसको सम्मान करना है, उसका रक्षण करना है। अपने पिता भगवान हैं, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम। कभी सुना है? नवोदय में गाते हैं, तुम्ही हो साथी तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, तुम्ही हो नैया तुम्ही खिवैया, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा। मुझे एक आदत बचपन से है कि कुछ पढ़ता हूँ, कुछ सुनता हूँ, कुछ बोलता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ इसका मतलब क्या है। विदाउट नोइंग मीनिंग, ध्यान दीजिए, विदाउट नोइंग मीनिंग देयर इज नो मीनिंग इन डूइंग इट। आया समझ में? विदाउट नोइंग द मीनिंग देयर इज नो मीनिंग इन डूइंग एनीथिंग। वी शुड नो द मीनिंग, पर्पस, द ऑफ एनीथिंग। तो जैसे हम इतना सब प्रेयर बोलते हैं, प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? इंडिया इज माय कंट्री बोलते हैं, कि भारत मेरा देश है। हम सब भारतवासी कौन हैं? भाई बहन हैं। मानते क्यों नहीं? मानना भी चाहिए। जब बोलते हैं मानते क्यों नहीं? झगड़ा क्यों करते हैं? Why do we fight? Why do we trouble each other? Why do you give bad words to each other? कितने बच्चे मैं देखा हूँ हॉस्टल में, बच्चे ही बोलते हैं सर, बहुत बच्चे जो हैं सर गाली देते सर एक दूसरे को, ऐसा बोलते सर, वैसे बोलते सर, चिढ़ाते सर, तकलीफ देते सर, ट्रबल करते सर। पढ़ने नहीं देते सर। कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं हॉस्टल में सब जगह। तो हम यदि भाई बहन हैं, तो कैसे हमारे भाई बहन हैं? माता पिता एक ही अपना, धरती माता है, तो मनुष्य नहीं, सभी जीव, सभी जीव, वो भी जीव है, वो भी अपने जैसे जीव है, लेकिन उनका बॉडी अलग है। अपना बॉडी ह्यूमन बॉडी है, उनका बॉडी प्लांट बॉडी है, किसी का एनिमल बॉडी है, किसी का इंसेक्ट बॉडी है। सभी जीव हम जैसे ही है, भगवान के अंश है। तो हमें समझना चाहिए, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट लाइफ, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट लाइफ, वी शुड हैव सेल्फ नॉलेज, वी शुड हैव सेल्फ नॉलेज। सेल्फ नॉलेज का मतलब क्या हुआ? आत्मज्ञान। सेल्फ नॉलेज मतलब आत्मज्ञान, बोले वी शुड हैव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? वी शुड हैव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। मतलब क्या है? कॉन्फिडेंस इन द सेल्फ, आत्मविश्वास। जब आत्मा को ही जानते नहीं है तो विश्वास कहाँ से होगा? सेल्फ इज नॉट द बॉडी। सर मुझे बॉडी पे विश्वास है। बॉडी क्या? हड्डी मांस का गाड़ी है, गाड़ी तो है, हड्डी मांस का गाड़ी तो है। तो ऐसे बोलता है सर आई एम द बॉडी सर, आई एम फैट बॉडी, आई एम स्लिम बॉडी, आई एम टॉल बॉडी सर, आई एम शॉर्ट बॉडी सर। वी डोंट से, वी से माई बॉडी इज लाइक दिस, माई बॉडी इज लाइक अ व्हीकल। बोलते ना सर माई गाड़ी इज लाइक दिस, माई व्हीकल इज लाइक दिस, माई व्हीकल इज ऑफ कलर ब्लैक और वाइट और ब्लू, एनीथिंग। तो वैसे अपनी गाड़ी है। Please understand, all our distractions, all our problems are because of having the wrong conceptions, misunderstandings of ourself. If we know ourself, you will have self-confidence, you will have self-strength, आत्मबल। बॉडी का बल नहीं, स्वयं का बल, आत्मबल चाहिए। कितने बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं पहलवान, लेकिन उनमें बल नहीं होता है, आत्मबल, और बीड़ी का दास बन जाता है। पहलवान तो बड़ा है एकदम रसलर, लेकिन क्या बन जाता है? बीड़ी का गुलाम बन जाता है, स्लेव ऑफ दी सिगरेट। बीड़ी और तंबाकू और गुटखा और दारू, शराब। क्यों? संयम नहीं, कंट्रोल नहीं, अपना बल नहीं, आत्मबल। ही इज बिकमिंग विक्टिम ऑफ small stick of bidi or cigarette. You see, understand this point. He physically is very strong, physically, but he cannot live without intoxication. That is a weakness. There is no Atma Bal. We should know, real Atma Bal is of the self, and that is Brahma, soul. If you have self-confidence, you will have self-control. Self-control. You can say no to bad. You can accept good. If you have self-control, you will be peaceful. Otherwise, we become victims of bad habits, bad things, negativity. If you have self-control, mind control, sense control, senses have to be controlled. Senses have to be controlled. Mind has to be controlled. Then you will be peaceful. One who has no control on the senses, mind, he becomes restless, peaceless, restless, not peaceful. Okay, if you are peaceful, you will be happy. Because you are peaceful. And if you are happy, you will be fulfilled, satisfied. Simple mathematics or simple science of life that begins with self-knowledge. Our biology, unfortunately, is only about body study. Our biology is only about the study of body parts, animal parts, zoology, plant parts, botany, human body parts, anatomy. But nothing about mind, science of mind, biology, nothing about mind, science of intelligence, science of ego. Ego is there. We all have egos. ego has to be there. What is that? Aham, ahankar. What I am. To know what I am, that is ego. The problem is that people don't know what they are. They think something else which they are not, and that is false ego. That is false ego. वो क्या होता है? झूठा अहंकार, मिथ्या अहंकार, जो हम नहीं हैं. जो 6 क्लास के बच्चे हैं वो खुद को 10 क्लास के बच्चे समझेंगे. 6 क्लास के बच्चे जो हैं खुद को क्या समझेंगे? सर, आई एम ऑल्सो इक्वल लाइक 10 क्लास स्टूडेंट सर. वाई? सर, माई बॉडी इज मैचिंग सर, माई हाइट इज मैचिंग सर. So simply by body size, we cannot say that I am 10 class student. The point is that to consider something which we are not is false ego. And to behave like that is not welcome. Is not welcome anywhere. Is not seen good anywhere. We should behave as per our status. Means as per our qualification, as per our position. Okay. And then most important, jiva, without which jivan cannot be there. Life is not because of body. Please understand. Life is not because of body, which is only flesh and bone. Life is because of not mind. Life is not because of intelligence. Life is because of say jiva. Pay attention to words. जीवा है तो जीवन है, इसमें जीव नहीं है तो क्या बोलते हैं? निर्जीव. ये भी एक बॉडी है. ये भी क्या है? एक बॉडी है. इसका भी एक साइज है, इसका एक शेप है, इसका भी एक हाइट है. ये भी एक बॉडी है, बट इज ए डेड बॉडी. वाई डेड बॉडी? देयर इज नो कॉन्शियसनेस. देयर इज नो, आई स्पीक लास्ट 5 minutes. ओके, देयर इज नो कॉन्शियसनेस. There is no consciousness in the body, this body. So non-living. Our body has consciousness because jiva is there. So we say my body is sajiva. With jiva, sajiva. Without jiva, nirjiva. Suppose my soul, means me, I. Suppose I come out of the body. Then my body becomes dead body. If I come out of the body, if I leave my body, come out of the body, this body becomes nirjiva, without soul, without me. So my point is that, please understand, Brahma Gyan, what is that? Self-knowledge is about our real self. If you know that, and if you know the connection with the Supreme Lord, कि हम कौन हैं. हम बॉडी, अपना बॉडी जो है समय के साथ बदलता है. यू रिमेंबर यूर बेबी फोटो. आपका घर पे फोटो होगा, बेबी फोटो, चाइल्ड फोटो. जब आपका जन्म हुआ ना, फर्स्ट बर्थडे फोटो आपका है. हाँ, होगा. टीवी के ऊपर शोकेस में होता है बेबी फोटो. दैट फोटो एंड टुडेज फोटो कंपेयर, बॉडी हैज चेंज. बट योर अम्मा won't say, your appa won't say the child born was different, the child studying in Navodaya is different. ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. Because our relationship is not because of body, which is changing all time. Suppose someone loses hands in the accident. Someone loses hands in accident. So Amma won't say, my child had 2 hands, sir. This boy has no hands now. This is not my child. ऐसा बोलेंगे? मेरे बच्चे को 2 हाथ था सर, अभी ये बच्चे को हाथ नहीं सर, मेरा बच्चा नहीं सर. ऐसा बोलेंगे? Because our relationship is not dependent on body parts. Our relationship is dependent on our self, and that self is Brahma Gyan. Aham Brahmasmi. Veda say our identity is that we are parts of the Supreme Lord. When you know that we belong to Supreme Lord, who is the controller, who is the creator, who is the maintainer of this entire cosmic existence, having billions of universes, billions of planets, billions of stars, countless living beings are there. If you know it, you will be connected to the Supreme Lord. And then you can access all the powers of God. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई। केवल गाने के लिए नहीं है, हो गया ऐसा गा के हो गया। We need to get power, शक्ति from whom? दाता. Like sun is there, sun is sun god, no, sun god. Bhumata. Okay, last 2 minutes I will speak that if we, आपको सुनना है? Feeling good? Okay. So sun god is there, who is giving the life, energy to all the living beings in the whole universe. Life is there, not just on planet Earth. Life is there on each planet, on each star, in the space. Who is saying? One who has made the world. भगवान ने वेदों में कहा है, जीवन सब जगह है, जीवन सब जगह है, क्योंकि वहाँ जीवन नहीं होगा तो उसका उपयोग क्या है? भगवान इतने असंख्य ना तारे बनाए हैं, ग्रह, प्लैनेट्स बनाए हैं, वो क्यों? To give the place for habitation. रहने के लिए जगह है उस higher planets, lower planets are there in the space, in the universe. Anyway, point is that we need to have knowledge. Highest value is knowledge. Knowledge is power, and the real knowledge is, highest knowledge is self-knowledge. If you have the self-knowledge given in Vedic science, Bhagavad Gita, then you will be empowered by self-knowledge. That will give you self-confidence, self-control, and then ultimately self-satisfaction. You will be happy always. When you are happy, you will do better in any work. You are happy, you will perform best. What is best? You are possible best. You want to compare with others to be the best. Compare with yourself. Compare with yourself, not others. Okay, so I speak about life values, that life is the most valuable. Why? It's a gift of God. God has given life. And God is not simply imagination or simply concept. God is the ultimate truth. जो बोलते हैं राम नाम सत्य है, सत्यमेव जयते. Truth wins. See, you may say, oh, there is no God, but then one day body will be gone. But sun will be there, this God will be there, God's energy will be there, will be gone. We want to have permanent life. We want to have permanent life. And that is possible because soul is permanent. Body is temporary, but soul is permanent. If you understand this, God is permanent, Satchitananda, and as a part of God, we also are permanent. Then we are happy, without fear, without anxiety. We don't miss anything. The whole world becomes yours. The whole world becomes yours. Then you have self-discipline in life. You have self-discipline because you know your real self. You have respect for others. You know that all are my brothers and sisters. You respect teachers as your mother, father. We take place. I will respect all elders, all teachers as my mother, father, parents. But we don't follow. We don't think about those things. We are taking place without following, without implementation, without application. Knowledge is not of any value. Okay, so we should know our value, our life is the most valuable. The highest skill is to connect to God. IIT logo has 3 words: Yoga, Karmasu, Kaushalam, taken from Bhagavad Gita. Yoga, Karmasu, Kaushalam. The highest kaushal skill is yoga. What is yoga? To connect with our source. What is our source? Life source? God. So that yoga connection will give you empowerment. And highest science is science of soul, science of self. If you know that, then your life will be successful, your life will be fulfilled. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Once again, I thank our dear principal sir, all teachers, to give me this opportunity to serve here. I am there for some time in the campus. Afterwards, if you want to meet me, ask any question, I am available. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning to yes, Jagdish sir, students. Very fortunate. Only in an uneducated scene. Generally, saints means we come sannyasi, carrying no knowledge. Prakrama Brahma. The word he used. You know whether India whether is very unique. You make a chapter for that. From the regular I see operation is saying as well. Prakrama Brahma. He told her, but I don't know how much it is seeped into you. Knowledge is self. In that self, untold magic. ये समझ में नहीं आया। रोग बराबर है। शास्त्र में बताया। देखिए अपना बहुत समय कहाँ स्पेंड करता है? मिरर के सामने।
मैं कैसा हूँ?
मिरर के सामने क्या देखता है? हमको देखता है।
ओनली बॉडी।
नहीं में क्या देखता है? दूसरा का पेट देखता है। वो ऐसे लेके सभी को देखना ही अपना काम है। ये छोड़ के सभी समय अपना अंदर देखो। We have many plus and minus. Think about our minus. Yes, the other way will bring something very nice. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I am Gautam Buddha. What am I? Who am I? These questions are nothing but Vedic knowledge to understand. Knowledge is very well, getting marks of measurement. A rule of true use. क्या निभाया नहीं है? सब पढ़ लिया, इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, सब कर लिया। डिग्री से that to know is the Gautam Buddha Navodaya. Navodaya produce many plants, many varieties. You people who you grab, what you choose to become. He expressed many things in short. That is, know yourself. Know yourself. Brahma is Brahman, Brahman is broadcast. Is Devani. In short, knowledge is taught. We don't know what is electricity circuits. He used another beautiful topic, happiness. happiness kya hai? It is being ourselves. He also provides the key for success. Key for success is, can anyone say? What just I used before. Happiness is the key for success. A unhappy fellow cannot achieve success. Always looking, I don't get. That is the reason why Islam not only teaches lesson, it is a technique of life in Islam. How to start, how to end. This is what we have to learn. Every day is an exam. It is not what it is not board exam. Life is an exam. It will walk observing us. Let us learn from the great people's words. I am ready to teach my portion. But this portion, also sometimes I am talking in the class, on which I am not needed. Many services are made which I am not needed, but I don't try. And to me, it is a responsibility of the audience. Okay, I will not take much time. Shortly, happiness is key for success. Always look into yourself instead of others' place, others' mind. He is on the end. Where is going? Where is going? What is the curiosity? Let us give a thought reasoning. Dedicate yourself to a good number of books in the library. Many great people, after living vast and books of beauty, they all became Buddhas. Read the history, Ashoka, the great emperor, great warrior, after the fight, he renounced himself to know the ultimate Satya, to know the ultimate truth. Let us be on the path of life of knowledge, explore knowledge, know ourselves. When we start looking ourselves, success will run behind us. We should not run towards success. Success follows us if we do our duty wholeheartedly. Don't think I am short, so I am only doing. You are a puppet in the hands of God. Let us remember this. That's what Gita tells. I thank the Sir Jayani sir giving a Adadarshi identity of this modern society. Are running behind money, running behind the complicated process. What is the greatest need of delivery? Money. Earning money, many ways are there. I used to tell. Ashoka Vada Pav earns more. Don't hunt for money. What for service? That is what your vocation. Come to learn. Go to service. Service is the big words we don't understand. Anyway, let us thank once again our sir. Actually, this was simply for the 10th and 12th students who in the name of exam went into the classroom. They are listening my words. Tension, you are happiness comes. When there is tension, no happiness comes. When there is no happiness, no success comes. Remove the tension, happiness comes. Be happy. Then you can transform that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yes.
यार खड़े हो
मंगल जनक तव शुभ नामे जाये तव शुभानि समाये गावे तव जय गाथा जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
विद्याला इष्ट विद्याला सावधान